How to fill a form on PDF on mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can fill a form on PDF on mobile. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So first thing is going ahead and downloading the Microsoft 365 Copilot. You can use the Play Store app if you want to download it. After that you can just go ahead and open it up onto your device. Once it is opened up, you can go to the My Files section and you can just go ahead and locate up the file, the form that you're trying to fill up. For example, let's say I'm just going and clicking on this for example, but you can directly open up the file, the form. Once you have opened up the form, you will be finding it on your screen. So all you need to do is once you've found it on your screen, you need to tap on this edit option in the bottom. You can find it, you can just go ahead and tap on it. After that is done, you can use up the methods available like texting and adding text etc. using the application itself. It is very easy method. You can just go ahead and use this edit pen icon if you want to fill up the form in your the mobile device. So that is it for now. Follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.